Younger Old here, welcome to my channel. I've just had the Amazon delivery man knock at the door about an hour ago, and I've had this, a GoPro smart remote. It's a good bit of kit. I won't take it out of the box on the camera. I'm sure you all know how to undo a cardboard box, so I'll just come straight into actually showing it to you. I've paired it up now with my GoPro camera, and it all seems to be working well. Quite pleased with it. The reason I got it was purely because when I'm making content out on the road, you get a nice bit of road, a few twisties, and then you just got a lot of straight road, which is boring to watch. And trying to switch it off when it's mounted on the front of my helmet with your gloves on, riding one-handed, no, it's just not good. So I thought this would be the answer. So far, I'm quite pleased with it. I'm just going to switch it off now, and then we'll start it up again. There we go, we're back on again, so all's working. It comes with this charging cable, which is like a key thing which plugs in, and then just a USB on the other side. And then there's like this little key which actually clicks in, and it locks in really well, so you can hang that to a lanyard or to whatever you want. But it's very well made. It's, you know, it's quite sturdy. I'm quite impressed with it. But then again, it's made by GoPro, so they tend to, you know, make things pretty well. It paired up easy with Wi-Fi. It just, you know, simple job of connecting it. I'm either going to mount it to my glove, or I'm going to actually use this mount here, which actually came with my TomTom sat-nav. But yeah, hopefully we can mount that to the controls left-hand side switch gear, and then actually mount the remote on that itself. So hopefully, stay tuned, and I'll show you when it's all up and running properly. Well, I spent a lot of time yesterday looking around for longer bolts so I could attach it to the switch gear, or little bits of metal or bits of plastic I could make a bracket out of, and I wasn't really, well, drawing a blank on all those. So I decided I was going to try and fit it to the glove, but actually would prefer it if it was that way around my glove. So basically what I did was I decided to take the strap out, and where the strap would normally go round, I'll use a bit of this, which is elastic. It's actually off a GoPro chest harness, the narrower elastic. Well, I don't use the chest harness, so I just sacrificed a bit of elastic, threaded it through from left to right, going that way, I don't know if you can see it there, and then sewn it. Now obviously I can now put the strap in going that way, so now not only will it fit on the glove a better way round for me, but I actually found it will actually wrap around the switch gear that way, and yeah, pleased, it works out quite well. Okay, there we have it, fully mounted. It was easier than I thought. I must admit, yeah, it's working, quite pleased. I've actually attached this little lanyard thing, which I generally put attached to my glove. I don't think it's going to go anywhere, but that is always an option I can use on a long journey or whatever. You just give it that extra little bit of security. So yeah, so far the job's a good one. I'm pleased. Well, I hope you like it and found it interesting. If you like it, please tick. Always subscribe, would be a great help. And once again, ride safe, and bye for now.